Hey guys, we have a furniture refinishing business and we use this spray tint every single week. If you are doing any spraying of objects that fit in this size tint, this is a no-brainer. Some people I think it's really cumbersome, but we literally timed it. It's 5 minutes to set up with one person and 2 minutes to take down. It's a total no-brainer. I think the only con is that it takes up a lot of space if you have a small workspace. But the reason we chose this one over other ones is Wagner's a really reputable brand. In fact, our last one, I broke something. I broke one of the poles. I let customer service know because I was trying to buy a replacement pole and they just sent me a whole new tent for free. So great customer service.
I know, we had it for over a year.
Over a year, so it wasn't even under warranty and they still replaced it. And then we love that it has a floor because a lot of the tents don't, and I'm not sure why because you're going to have to put something under there. And it does come in multiple sizes. So if this is too large for your space, they have smaller ones if you're painting chairs or much smaller items. They even have like a tiny tabletop spray tint if you're doing really tiny things or airbrushing or anything like that. Mm-hmm. So definitely look into it. And if you are in the market for a spray tint, go ahead and shop below. Aloha.
Aloha.